Imagine a secret map that describes the exact location of everything, from your position on a GPS to a character in a video game. This map isn't fiction, it's the Cartesian plane, and you've already been using a small corner of it. But today, we're unlocking the full map by introducing negative numbers. This world is built on two simple lines, the horizontal x-axis and the vertical y-axis. Where they cross is our starting point, the origin, with coordinates 0, 0. These axes divide the world into 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1, top right, is the positive zone you might know. But go left and x becomes negative. Go down and y becomes negative. Quadrant 2 is negative positive. Quadrant 3 is negative negative. And quadrant 4 is positive negative. The golden rule for navigating this map is simple. X always comes before y. Think of it like a secret code, along the hall, then up the stairs. Let's try it. To find the point -3, 5, you start at the origin. The x-coordinate is -3, so you walk 3 steps left into the negative zone. The y-coordinate is 5, so you move 5 steps up. You've just landed in quadrant 2. But we're not just plotting single points. By connecting a series of coordinates, you can draw anything. Let's say you plot -2, 2, 2, 2, -2, -2, and -2, -2. Connect them and you've drawn a perfect square, centered on the origin. This is exactly how computer graphics and engineering work, defining complex designs by their points. So remember the code, x then y. Positive means right or up, negative means left or down. It's a simple system, but it's the language that gives position to everything in a digital world. You now know how to read the map.